Hey everyone, it's Patty from Deep Space Sparkle. Today we're going to make a painted paper duckling for kids, and you're going to just need a few sheets of paper. I have some paper for the background. I have a blue and a pretty painted paper grass background, and then you can choose this, but I have a yellow painted paper for the duck and some orange regular paper for all the beaks and the legs and all the fun things that we're going to add. Okay, let's get creating. I hope you had fun doing this project with your kids. Now, if you're a teacher, you might enjoy the Sparklers Club, because if you are a member, you get a full extension video, the full lesson plan with all the rubrics, the assessments, all the handouts, and the support you need to do this project with your students. I'll see you next week for another art video tutorial.